Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this makeup bag. Usually I knit and crochet, I don't sew much, but I saw this and I thought of making a video on how to make it. I'm not a professional sewer, so I will make many mistakes when sewing, but I will try to show you how to make it. It's very cute, as you can see. You open it like this, and you make, it's a makeup bag. You make the makeup here. Let's start and make it. So of this one, this is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. So 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters. We need to cut 2 of this, 2 lining, and 2 violin. So 12 by 12, 2, 2 and 2 violin. This one is 32 centimeters by 4 centimeters. So you cut 32 centimeters by 4 centimeters. And of this we need one for the inside and 1 violin. So 1 on the outside, 1 on the inside, and 1 violin. 32 centimeters by 4 centimeters. This one we need only 1. This is 13.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So 13.5 by 6 centimeters, and we need 1 for the outside and 1 violin only. This is 8.8 by 12 centimeters. So 8.8 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and we need 1 for the outside, 1 for the inside, and violin, 1 violin. This one is 32 centimeters by 9 centimeters, 32 by 9. And we need 1 for the outside, 1 for the inside, and 1 violin. 32 by 9. Now, as you can see, I ironed the violin on the material. I ironed them all on the front side. I ironed all the violin. Now, as you can see, these I cut them in circle here. The edges here, I cut them round in circle. These 2 and the lining inside, I cut them in circle here. Now we take one of these and the lining, we put them together like this, and we sew with the sewing machine all around here. We sew them together all around here, both of them, 2 of them. These are ready. I turn them, I sew them with the sewing machine. As you can see, I sew them together. Now we're going to do the handle, the piece of the handle. The piece of the handle is the one 13.5 centimeters by 6 centimeters. That is the one. Now we're going, first we make it like this. Then we open it. We put this one over here, this over here, and then we close it like that, like this, and we sew all around. We sew all around it. This is ready, as you can see. I sewed it from here and from here. Now we take one of these, the part of the upper part. This is the upper part, and we take this one and we find the middle here. We put it like that. Find the middle here. We put this here in the middle here, and here on the other side, and we sew here this part and this part. We sew it to the upper part like this. Now we have the zip. The zip has to be 30 centimeters. So the zip 30 centimeters. I'm making this color to match with the flower here. So we have this part, the part that is 32 centimeters by 9 centimeters, and we're going to take the zip and make it like this over here. Okay, we have the inner part here, and we're going to make it like this, the inner part, and we're going to sew over here. I will make the needle so it doesn't move, and we're going to sew over here. So what we did, the zip was like this, we turned it like that on here, we took this one, we put it over here, and we're going to sew over here. Now as you can see, I sew them together from here and from here. Now we make them like this, and we have to iron. We iron this a little bit from here, we iron it, so then we can make the top stitch with the sewing machine. So we iron here, so then we make the top stitch here. We make top stitch here with the sewing machine. So this is ready. As you can see, I made the top stitch here of it. Now here we have this one. This is 32 centimeters by 9 centimeters. This is 32 by 9 centimeters. We have that one, this one, that one, and we have the part of the inside. Now we're going to take this one. We take this one, we turn it around, and we put it on this one here. Okay, so we took this one and we turned it around and we put it on here. Now we're going to take this one, we turn it around like this. I'm using one hand because the stand broke, and we're going to put it on here. Okay, then you sew with the sewing machine, you sew here. The three of them, as you can see, you sew here. So we finished this one. I made the top stitch here, as I told you, top stitch on here. Now we're going to make this part. This is the part where 12 centimeters by 8 centimeters. And we're going to use the part where is the 12 centimeters. You take it and you put it here where the zip starts. You put it over here. Where the zip starts, here. You turn the work around. I'm using only one hand because the iPod got broken. And you take the part that is from the inside, you turn it around and you put it on this side here. And you sew over here. So as I told you, here where the zip starts, you take the part where there is the 12 centimeters, you make it here, you turn the work around, you put here this one, and you sew over here. So this is ready. I attached it here, and on top I made the top stitch. I attached the two to here, and I made the top stitch. Now we're going to take only this one. This you're not going to take it. You turn it around and you're going to put it on the other side here, and you're going to sew it with the sewing machine over here. Only this one you don't sew it, you leave it over there. So now this is ready. As you can see, I attached it here. Here I attached it. I only attached this one here. Now we're going to take this one we didn't attach it. We're going to put it over here. Let me turn this around. We turn this like this. Here the edge. We turn it like this and we attach it like this to here. You turn the hem inside like this, and you attach it like this, and you sew it with the sewing machine. So now this is ready. We attach them both here and here. This is from the other side, as you can see. Now we're going to start to attach this with it. So we make these together like that. So we can find exactly the middle here, and we cut a little. On the other side, we do the same. Cut a little. Then you turn it like this. You see here, you attach here. On the other side, and you mark them, and you do the same on the other side. You do the same on the other side. Now we have to do the same with this one. We put them like this together. Find the middle here. Find the middle here. We turn it like this. Find the middle here. And we mark the middle here. And we do the same on this one too. These are already marked. You have to mark here and here. Now that we marked this one and this one, I'm going to start with the one at the bottom. So I first find this first marker. I find this marker here. And I make a needle so I know where it has to be. I find the second marker. I find the second marker here. The other marker, it's here. I make it on the same place. And the last one, I put it with the last one here. And then you sew it all around. You sew it all around. You put it like this together and you sew it all around. This one on the top, you have to do the same. Now at the top you have to see that the handles are where there is this one here. The handles, you put them where you have this here, over here. This, in the middle of here, you have to make them the handles. Here. Here. And then at the opposite, you make the handle the opposite of there. One here, and you attach the others. Oh, like this you have to make them. Here the handles, here, and this one and this one. Now as you can see, I attached the top here. And I attach the bottom. This is the top and the bottom, they are attached. But here we don't want to leave it like this because it doesn't look that neat like this. So you need a piece of elasticated material. If it's elasticated, it's better like this. It's a bit better. And we're going to turn it around here. First, you attach it like this. You turn it around and you attach it all around here. And you do the same here. Then when you attach it from this side, you're going to turn it like this. Here it will be attached. You're going to turn this around and attach it like this. It comes like this. All around. You attach it all around here at the top and at the bottom. So as you can see, it is ready now. I turned it all around with this here on the upside and on at the bottom. I turned so it's more neat from the inside. And this is the final result, how it comes. As you can see, this is the final result. You open from here, and you put everything inside here. This is the final result, how it comes. As you can see, it's beautiful. Has a bit of work to do to make it, but in the end you will have a beautiful result. Hope that you understood what I was doing. As I told you, I'm not a professional sewer, so I don't sew much, but I saw it and I thought of making it. Hope that you understand what I was doing and that you try it. Bye for now.